Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 44, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the leading provider of 3D scanning services in the region. Whether you need scanning for industrial purposes or for creating stunning visual effects, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to quality and precision. They understand the importance of accuracy in 3D scanning and ensure that every scan they produce is of the highest quality. Their team of experts meticulously scans every detail, leaving no room for error. The result is a seamless and accurate 3D model that captures even the tiniest of details. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd provide top-notch scanning services, but they also offer a wide range of other services related to 3D scanning. From reverse engineering to prototyping, their team is well equipped to handle any project you throw at them. They have the knowledge and expertise to bring your ideas to life and turn them into tangible products. Another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out in the industry is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They value their clients and strive to exceed their expectations with every project. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd will treat your project with the utmost care and attention it deserves. They understand that each client has unique needs and requirements, and they tailor their services accordingly. Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 44, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to company for all your 3D scanning needs. Whether you are in the architecture, engineering, or manufacturing industry, their services are tailored to meet your specific requirements. From capturing intricate details to creating accurate digital models, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every project is executed with precision and efficiency. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other 3D scanning service providers is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results, and they go above and beyond to exceed their clients' expectations. With their state-of-the-art equipment and experienced team of professionals, they are able to capture even the most complex shapes and surfaces with utmost precision. This attention to detail ensures that the final scanned models are accurate representations of the real-world objects. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to cater to diverse industry needs. Whether you require 3D scanning for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development,